In today's video, I'm going to teach you to buy and sell stocks on Fidelity. By the end, you'll feel confident placing a basic trade from start to finish, whether you're using the website or the mobile app. First, sign into your Fidelity account on your computer or phone. Once you're in, head to the portfolio or positions section. This is where you can see the stocks you currently hold and, in many cases, search or navigate to the stock you're interested in. Select the stock you want to trade to open its details. This page shows price, recent movement, and the options to buy or sell. To buy, click the buy button. If you have more than one account, such as a brokerage and a retirement account, choose the correct one so your trade lands where you expect it. Next, decide how you want to place the order. You can enter the number of shares you want, or, if available for that stock, enter a dollar amount to buy. Many investors like the dollar option for small or fractional purchases. Now choose your order type. A market order aims to buy right away at the best available price. It's straightforward and typically fills quickly during market hours, but the final price may differ slightly from the last quote. A limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay. This gives you price control, but if the market doesn't reach your limit, the order may not fill. Take a moment to confirm the symbol, quantity, or dollar amount, and the order type. When everything looks right, review the summary and click Place Order. You'll see a confirmation and you can track the order's status in your account. To sell, click the Sell button on that same stock page. Again, choose the correct account, enter the number of shares you want to sell, or the dollar amount if that option is available. Decide on your order type, market to sell quickly at the current best price, or limit to set the minimum price you'll accept. A limit can help you avoid selling below your target in fast-moving markets. Review your order details carefully. Use the preview screen to double-check the symbol, quantity, estimated proceeds, and any applicable fees. When you're satisfied, submit the order, you'll get a confirmation, and you can monitor the status and final execution in your portfolio or order history. And that's it. Log in, choose your stock, buy or sell with the order type that fits your goal, review carefully, and place your order. You now know how to buy and sell stocks on Fidelity.